Man judges the outside appearance. God judges the what now? Heart. Simple enough to interpret. Is it though? This is why you were given what you were given. Because you were given it. No other reason. So when we stop in our lives and we say, it was them. Now, hear me out. Then something, like with kids, when something bad happens, as we would interpret it to say, a grown-up has hurt that child in a way, sometimes more vile and heinous than others. It's not the child's fault that it happened to them. It really isn't. But what we then have to realize is, when you do what you do to children, you give them a mental attitude, a mental mood now. That's what you've done. Through which they will see the world. As children, you have given them a mental attitude. And because the principles don't discriminate, that mental attitude that they walk with, God, is what perpetuates the stuff in their lives. Not because they're being punished, not because they're bad kids, they're not. This is the thing we've got to grasp here. Little kids don't discern, they learn because they have never been in the world and they're learning what the world is and how to maneuver in it. But we forget that everybody is aware. Everybody has awareness. We forget that. Oh, they just kids. No, they have an awareness. And the way you treat them conditions their awareness. And how you condition the awareness is now how their life will go. This is why scripture can tell you, train up a child in the way it should go, and it will not depart from it. That's why scripture can tell you that. Because you're conditioning their awareness. And it is the awareness that we live from. So this is why cycles keep happening over and over and over and over again. Because of where we live from in that awareness, that mental attitude. So this is why we protect them, so they have the ability to learn how to truly be in the world. And so when you look at the other side, at the person who has hurt someone or is hurting someone, you don't excuse their behavior, you don't tolerate it, but you help them to understand what they're doing. And not everybody will, because they're not going to hear you from where they're at. Right? But if you understand, remember, it's you. If you understand what they are doing, now you can do the one thing that will help them to change. And they don't even have to know that you're doing it. Because remember that scripture that says, not by might, not by power, but by my spirit? You can't beat somebody into understanding. Your arm will get tired before they hear you. But in order for you to influence, hello, here's that word. In order for you to influence the mental attitude of someone,